Before you begin to replace your printhead, ensure you have plenty of ink in each cartridge. Replace any ink cartridges that appear low. On the tab selection screen of the control panel, press the gear to select the settings adjustment menu. If the tab selection screen is not displayed, press the home button. First, select maintenance on the screen. Then select head replacement. Ink begins being drawn in from the printhead. This process takes about 2 minutes to complete. The printhead carriage will be visible when you open the top cover. Pull the printhead lever forward all the way, then pull up the printhead cover to open it completely. To avoid damage, do not touch any other exposed element of the printer. Remove the printhead and press OK. Open the new printhead and hold it by the grips. Carefully remove the orange protective pieces without touching the sensitive areas on the printhead. With the nozzles facing down and the metal contacts toward the back, insert the printhead into the carriage and carefully push the printhead into place. Replace the printhead cover and lever. Close the top cover. It will take about 7 minutes for the printhead to replenish with ink and be ready to print.